looking at the appointment book, one thing that you will notice in the trainer that's different than what you're using in clinic is simply that the screen is blue. Typically it was yellow previously, now it is blue, only a slight difference. The other thing that is actually different is the appointment list and how it looks. So let's take a look. If you click right at the top here on appointment list, it takes just a moment to open. This window actually opens. In the other version that you're using in clinic, it is simply producing a list. It's not actually going to pop up as a separate window. In this window, you can see right in the middle here, it says select list. The list that's showing right now is the appointments. If we look at setup, and we're trying to see what's happening, is we would see all of these providers in this list, all of the ops, and this is what we're showing for today. The reason why it is blank is because currently, if we're looking at our schedule, there's nothing there. So when you are practicing and you're adding client appointments, you will notice that these will actually start filling in. If I'm changing the list to those clients that are unscheduled in the system, it will show up that these clients have appointments that were actually broken. So meaning they had appointments that were canceled, and it tells you who the provider was that they were seeing. It does tell you the dates as to when that happened, the time with respect to when that took place. Obviously, these are just for practice and the times are not appropriate. If we scroll over, we can actually just enlarge this and we can see what they were coming in for. So this person, Ms. Brown, was coming in for a full mouse series. This person was for hygiene. You would use this if you need them to come in. So for example, at Durham, if you have those client lists where you are calling to schedule clients, this is how you could actually print that report. You could actually go in again under appointment lists and you would check the unscheduled. This will give you a huge list of clients. Again, as you come over, it can give more information such as their birth date, their email, how you can contact them, their mobile information, their age, obviously other information such as if they have insurance or who they were referred by. And of course, there's always notes that are available as well if you add those in. So this is how you would get contact information. The other lists that you could see are those that can come in on short notice. In this case, no one has identified in their family file that they are able to come in on short notice, but that's another list that can come up. And any clients that are on the pin board. So again, pin board is like copying or cutting and pasting your clients. Literally, you will pin the appointment to the pin board and then you will paste it back into the schedule on a different date. This list just shows if any clients have been left in limbo on that pin board and not rescheduled. Currently, there's no one in the system, which again is why it's blank. But that's a way to take a look at the lists.